Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back. We have another Hot Wheel case unboxing. In this case, we have the Case J right here. And I know this has some pretty awesome cars, so I'm super excited to get into it. I do have another video, yes, on this, but I do get the international cases and the US cases. This is a US one, so I'm really excited to bust this open, see what all we get in here. And I'm really hoping we can get the Super or even at least the regular treasure hunt. But I'm really excited about this. A lot of these cars will be available on my website, so you guys can go check it out, shopemptyparadise.com. And I'm currently doing a giveaway on my site. I'm giving away this Hot Wheel RLC 1968 Custom Plymouth Barracuda. Thing that looks really cool with the opening hood, detailed engine. It's very detailed, top, bottom, side, Spectraflame paint, rubber Wheel Rider tires. This thing is absolutely amazing. You don't want to miss out on that giveaway. Like I said, there's going to be a link in the description down below, or you can go to shopemptyparadise.com. And like I said, a lot of these cars will be on there. If you guys pick up some of these, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. And I even have 10% off the entire month of July, so you really don't want to miss out on that. And it's automatically applied at checkout, 10% off of everything on my entire website. So definitely check it out, shopemptyparadise.com, or link in the description down below. Get entered into the giveaway. But let's go ahead, carefully lay this on its side. Oh gosh, there we go. I want to do it as delicate as possible as to not mess anything up. And let's go ahead and slice this case open. And I really hope we get the Super, and if not, like I said, really hope we get the regular treasure hunt. But the cars in this case, I know some of these are pretty awesome, so let's see. Alright, let's get this set up off to the side and get started right up on top. I know sometimes they're stacked in here kind of weird, so alrighty. Wow, so right off the bat, we got a pretty cool car. We got that 63 Studebaker Champ, which looks really cool. Then we have the Corvette C6 in yellow, and then the Baja Bison T5. Alright, so we got the King Cuda, which is actually a Plymouth Barracuda. We got the Pagani Zonda R in yellow, and the 66 Triumph Tiger 100. I think that looks pretty cool. Alright, okay, so we got the Proper Chopper, the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, and I think that looks really cool with the little yellow stripes kind of there up on top. I don't know if you can really see that. Then we also have the Group C Fantasy. I got the Birthday Burner, the Later Crater, and the Rockin' Railer. We have another Group C Fantasy. We have the 95 Mazda RX-7, finished in that really cool white with the little kind of Tiffany blue decals, with the teal, whatever you call it. And then we have the Hummer, or GMC Hummer EV in purple. Oh, we got another Hummer EV in purple, 87 Dodge D100, and the 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Oh, I love this car. So you got the 2015 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and I love that giant wing, has all the decals on it, which look really cool. And we have a Glory Chaser and a West Coast Flyer. All right, we have the 76 Greenwood Corvette, the Hot Riler, and the Speed Dozer. Oh, we got a couple tuned cars in this one. So we got the tuned Mazda RX-3. It's actually the Mad Mike car, which looks really cool. I really like that one. Then we have a Mod Rod, but then we also have another tuned car, which is the Fast and the Furious 1970 Dodge Charger, and this one has that little red stripe there on the back. Man, I think both of those look really awesome. Alright, and then we got the Mailed It, which is pretty cool, with a couple big turbos sticking out of the hood. The West Coast Flyer, and another 64 Chevy Chevelle SS. Right, we got the Donut Drifter, a Speed Bump, which is kind of cool. It's like a crushed car, which looks awesome. It's actually in the diecast. And then we got the Custom 68 Camaro. Alright, we got the T-Rex Royer, the wheelie chair, and the total disposal. And that is the first half of the case. Let's go ahead and move this out of the way. And let's go ahead and get started right back up on top. Alrighty. Well, yeah, we got another Studebaker Champ coming right off on top. Got another Mazda MX-5 Miata, and another King Cuda. Got a lot of duplicates so far. Alright, well, this one's kind of sitting weird. I think it's like a... I hope there's not a damaged one in here. Let's see. It might be. Let's see. That one's kind of snagged on something. Okay, so it's the car I don't really care about, so that's fine. So we got the Hot Wheel Ultimate T-Rex Transporter, and the package is all kind of damaged. It's kind of stuck on another one. We have the Later Crater and the 68 Dodge D100. And none of the cars that are damaged like that will be on my site, so don't worry if you guys do order on there. They're all the great condition cars. If there's any creases or heavy damage or anything, I don't have those listed. So, but I might actually make a separate category for those. So if you guys are interested, let me know. And then we have, okay, so we got the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS, the Roland Solo, and the car that it was snagged on is another Hot Wheel Ultimate T-Rex Transporter, and that one's also damaged in the same place. So those two were kind of interlocked, so that's kind of funny that it's the exact same car that was like that. Alright, so we have another Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. We have another Mailed It, and another wheelie chair. Man, we're getting a lot of duplicates in this case so far. Hopefully we get something new and cool. Ooh, okay, so we got the 76 Greenwood Corvette, 07 Chevy Tahoe in white, and a Volvo P1800 Gasser. Oh, one of my favorite cars, not the birthday burner, but the McLaren P1, and finished in a really nice, beautiful blue. I think that thing looks absolutely amazing, but like I said, there will be some of these available on my store, so you guys can go check that out. I also have the Roland Solo. Oh, I only got two on that one. Where's the other one? There we go. So we have the DeLorean Alpha 5 in like a kind of like a bronze color, 2010 Camaro SS, and then the 57 Jeep FC. That one's actually finished in like a matte red. Alright, we got some cool cars in this one. We got the Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, another Mazda RX-3 tuned Mad Mike, and then we have the McLaren Solus GT finished in that really nice orange. Now, we have not seen the Super Treasure Hunt or regular Treasure Hunt, so I'm really hoping that we at least have one of those in this case, but like I said, we will find out. Oh, kind of did another partial pull. Oh, and we did not get the Super. We got another McLaren Solus GT, and then we have the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. That would have been the Super if there was a Super in this case, but I still think that thing looks pretty cool. And then we also have the Duck and Roll. Set that there. So we have some more cars left, and we have the Volvo P1800 Gasser, the Road Bandit, and the Desert Drifter. We have another 07 Chevy Tahoe, another Batman Arkham Knight Batmobile, and another Jeep FC. And the last three cars for this case, ooh, that's actually kind of cool. We have another Mad Mike car. It's the Mad Mike Drift Attack. It's actually the Mazda 787. And then we have a Road Bandit, and then we have a 69 Mercury Cougar Eliminator. And I think that looks really cool in that color. But yeah, we did not get the Super, and we did not get the regular Treasure Hunt. So that's kind of interesting. I mean, we don't always get like the great cars, but sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. It is what it is. But at least I do these videos, and sometimes I do get Super Treasure Hunts and even regular Treasure Hunts. But like I said, I think pretty much all these cars, other than some of like the fantasy cars, will be already on my site. So as this video is live, definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. And like I said, you hop on there, purchase any of these things, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. I have all the rules and everything on my site as well, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video, go down and hit the like button. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and a lot of other awesome Hot Wheel videos. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.